Locals of Leitanpokpi, Lokchau, Loko and Maibung today stormed the CRPF and BSF post located at foothills of Purum and Leitanpokpi villages, demanding intervention against illegal construction of road along Gampichang and Purumkom village, adjacent to paddy fields of Maibung villages. Erupts locals have complained that the illegal construction of road just adjacent to Maibung habitation poses risks to locals, and they allege CRPF and BSF personnel of failing to intervene against such illegal construction of road. Locals also dug out a road to disrupt supply of essentials to the posts of CRPF and BSF. Meanwhile, a team of Sagolmang police station tried to take control of the situation while expressing discontent on the villagers for disrupting the supply road for central forces.